Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the day 5 of Advent of Cyber 2022. Today's challenge is about brute force. So after completing this challenge, you will learn about common remote access services, recognizing a listening VNC port in a port scan, use a tool to find the VNC service password, and connect to the VNC server using a VNC client. So what your task is, you have to read all the details of that are provided here about remote access services that are SSH or RDP or remote desktop protocol and VNC or virtual network computation, the authentication, and also attacking the passwords, types of attacking passwords like shoulder surfing, password guessing, dictionary attack, brute force attack, and also the fun part is hacking an authentication service. For me, I'm not gonna read this because the length of the video will be too long. I'm gonna just start the fun part and answering the questions and do the practical part. So first of all, we have to, let me start the attack box. And let me start the machine, the targeted machine or the day 5 machine. So while we are waiting for the virtual attack box to boot up, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and hitting the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. This is just a small click for you, but for me, it's a tons of motivation and support. Thank you. So now the attack box is up and also the machine. As you can see here, we have the IP address right now. So let's just answer the questions here. Use Hydra to find the VNC password for the target IP address. Okay, what is the password? Let me just first of all open the terminal. Okay, I have to double click it. And then I have to check for the open ports in the for that machine, the machine that we are gonna attack. So for that, I'm gonna use nmap -ss. I just want a CineScan to see if there's any open ports, and I don't want to specify the ports, so it will scan the 1000 famous ports and the target IP address 10.10.115.206. Okay, so now we should wait a little bit. Oh, it's too fast. As we can see, there are two servers running on this target, the SSH and the VNC. So we have the VNC server. So for this, we have to brute force for finding the password for the VNC server, VNC service. So for that, let me clear the screen. For that, we are going to use Hydra. The usage is pretty simple. Just type Hydra capital P for the password list, and the password list is in user share word lists, and we're going to use the rocku.txt. For this, I'm going to use the dash flag to stop when it finds any a matching password. And also I'm gonna use capital V for the verbose mode, and -T for the number of threads that should send to the target. So let's just hit enter. And oh, sorry, I didn't specify the target IP address and the service. For this, either you can just first type the IP address and then the service, or you can just write VNC colon and target IP address, which is 10.10.115.206, and hit enter. Now we should wait for a little time that it should go and check for the password. As you can see, it's checking for the passwords, and for real life scenarios, it may even take hours and days to find a match. But for this room, it may not take that much time, but we should be patient. So now the hydra has stopped and found a valid password, which is 1Q2W3E4R for the VNC service on this IP address. So let's type the password here, 1Q2W3E4R, and that's it. So using a VNC client on the attack box, connect to the target of IP address. What is the flag written on the target screen? Okay, let me copy this password because I will need it. Copy, minimize this one, and from here the application, go to the internet and Romania. It is a VNC client that you can use to connect to any VNC service that is on the target IP or that on the target. So just open it, cancel this, and choose the VNC service here or the VNC protocol, and type the IP address of your target, 10.10.115.206, and hit enter. Now provide the password, and okay. So let me maximize to see the screen, and here is the password. THM, I see your screen. Okay, let me THM, I see your screen. Nice. So if you like the topics presented in this task, check out these rooms: protocols and servers, Hydra, password attacks, John the Ripper. So if you want to learn more about the protocols and servers, Hydra, the password attacks, and John the Ripper, another amazing tool for cracking or attacking passwords, please check out these rooms. So completed. Nice. So we are done with today's challenge, and that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.